Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I've been following this little bar on Facebook for a bit. They've been posting that they're opening soon. It's a little Dutch bar, D21, and it's just along here, and it's opened today guys. So let's go and take a little look. There it is. It's got a nice new sign. Used to be a Turkish restaurant here. So here we are. It's not looking very open, being as it's meant to open today. There you go. It's not open till 2 o'clock today. So we'll maybe pop back later on and have a look. We'll do some nice coffees. Got a shop menu. Long drinks. Snacks. Spanish croquettes. Dutch fries. Pizzas as well. So we will hop back later on when it's open guys. This is where it is. Got the seafront down the bottom. So as I said, we'll try and pop back later on and have a proper look once they're open. So hit the like, hit share, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next one guys.